Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to search for movie or shows on Filmzie application. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. Open your Filmzie application from the app drawer and make sure to log into your account by entering your credentials. After you are logged into the account, navigate to the search button at the bottom right hand corner and simply go ahead and tap on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, go ahead and search for the movie by typing in its name at the top. Enter the title of the movie you are looking for in the search bar, and right after you find the movie you are looking for, simply go ahead and tap on it from the search result. Now, you will be able to see the poster of the movie, the details, the trailer, and other information such as directors, cast, audio languages available, and the subtitles if available on the menu. After you get to this page, in order to play the movie, tap on the play button. Soon after you tap on the play button, you will be able to start playing the movie. You can now start playing the movie, and then from the screen, you should be able to see the pause and play icon, the forward and rewind button, as long as your subtitles and the audio option at the top right. You can go ahead and change any settings you would like to during the movie play. So that is how you can easily play a movie or a show on Filmzie application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.